What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with another hot update discussing the state of the cryptocurrency markets. Now do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Now today we are marking up on tomorrow's date, which is January 8th, the Monday. Everybody is speculating and wondering, guessing what's going on with the spot Bitcoin ETF. Will it get approved tomorrow, the Monday, the 8th? Tuesday, the 9th? The deadline is Wednesday, the 10th for all this stuff to get approved. Now, all we need is 3 of the 5 SEC commissioners to vote yes for the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF. Now, what I'm thinking that they will approve it this week. I'm thinking that's why Bitcoin been holding steady, been pretty stable, 43,000, 44,000 over the past 4 weeks or so. They took it all the way up to the limit. They took it all the way up to the deadline, which was January 10th. And I'm thinking that everything is going to go smooth. I think we do have 3 SEC commissioners that are pro crypto. Of course, we know Gary Gensler, he gonna be one of the fellas that say no. For some reason, he don't like cryptocurrency, but you know, we got BlackRock, we got ARK Investment, we got Fidelities. All these companies have great influence within the government, and they also have great influence within the financial sector of the entire world. So I'm thinking that they're going to do some things. They're going to move their muscle to make this thing happen. They've been waiting in line for this for about 10 years, trying to get this ETF approval. And I think that we're finally here. I think that they have finally vetted the entire cryptocurrency market by throwing a tax at Binance, by throwing a tax at COINBASE, and by flipping over FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried. So I think that they think that they got all the scams out of there. They got all the slick individuals out of there. But of course, you can't clean and clear all the corruption. But I think that they're comfortable right now with allowing a lot of these large financial institutions to bring in their investors, you know, to bring in their clientele to get exposure into Bitcoin and exposure into the entire cryptocurrency market. Now, once this thing get approved, I'm expecting Bitcoin to do a massive run up, probably 9%, 10% easy. You know, probably pushes to $50,000 or $49,000, $48,000, $49,000. The altcoins, they will have a similar push. You know, everything's going to rise up, and I'm hoping that you know, we'll just play it out. You know, of course, there's going to be a dip along the way, you know, but like I say, we are in this for the long run. Even before the spot Bitcoin ETF came amongst us, we already had our game plan ready to dominate this 4-year Bitcoin cycle. We know 2024 is one of the main dates that we've been looking for, which is the Bitcoin halving that's expected in about 102 days in April. So that's what we're rocking on. The spot Bitcoin ETF, that's just extra. That's just gravy. Another little nice catalyst that we will use to take along our journey going through this 2024, 2025 Bitcoin. But like I say, we plan to dominate this new upcoming bull market. We're not getting distracted from the SEC, from the government, from BlackRock and all that stuff and all that noise. We sticking to the plan, sticking to the script, staying 10 toes down, running our plays like we had already planned before all this stuff came amongst us with these guys trying to get in our space, trying to shake us up, trying to create fear, trying to create uncertainty and doubt. We ain't having it. We sticking to the script. Like I say, I'm the coach. I could call the play. We already called the play, so we just gonna sit back and let this thing play out. Let these plays run out so we could dominate and head all the way to the promised land, which is the touchdown when we score, take our profits, and make our next play. But like I say, one of the main things you want to continue doing is dollar cost averaging in. when you see these dips, when you see these spikes in the prices, have a little dry powder on the side, and that's when you start to dollar cost average in some of your favorite altcoins, some of the coins that you've been paying attention to, but you have not got a position in yet, or you add into some of the coins that you do have a position in. If you want to lower your overall average cost in some of those plays, when they dip, that's the prime opportunity for you to do. So it's very important to dollar cost average in during this entire bull run, because we know ultimately all the prices will be at a higher point come sometime during this 2024-2025 bull run. Number two, one of the most important things for you to do to dominate this bull market is have patience. You want to hold your plays. If you've done your research and you've already looked at plays and you identified, okay, XYZ play, I know this one is going to do a 10x. I know this coin is going to do a 20x. Just hold your play. It may have only did a 3x so far, but we already know that it has a lot more room to grow. Like bonk, for a case example, we know that thing is kind of beat down right now, 0.0011, whatever it is. We know that that play is going to do about another 10x. So as it dipped, we just buy in, lowering our average cost, because we know what the long-term expectation growth of that particular coin will be. So don't get scared out your plays. Stick to the fundamentals. Stick to the script, and we're going to dominate the play. So hold your plays, have confidence, have faith in your plays, and we're going to ride this thing out together. Like I said, you could come over there and join us in the Patreon, and we could hold each other's hand as we navigate and make it through this journey together. Bounce ideas off you, you bounce ideas off me, and all the other individuals over there in the Patreon. That's what that forum is for, a community of like-minded individuals on one accord. Number three, one of the next third thing that and final thing, most important thing for us to do is try to time the top of the Bitcoin market. We know the top of the Bitcoin market is about the time that we need to be making our exit plans. So we've done research over on the last few Bitcoin 4-year cycles. We've seen the charts, we've seen the graphs. We know it's about 12 to 18 months after the Bitcoin halving is when we start to look out for it. You know, there's a whole lot of other indicators that we've been looking at. The Bitcoin multiplier. We know the previous all-time high was 69,000. The next time, will it 2x the 69,000, taking us to 135,000, or would it 1.5x us? We don't know. Will it get above $100,000? Those are all the questions that have not been answered. Nobody have answers yet, but as we navigate and make our way through this new Bitcoin bull market, all of these questions will be answered. And as these questions are answered, we will know how close we are for us to start taking profits, because we know that we are close to the top of the Bitcoin. And we're also going to follow and watch how the altcoin season does its run. You know, there's a lot of things that go into play that we're going to be looking out for, that going to be a telltale sign when the top of the Bitcoin will be. But, you know, it's going to be a long journey. You know, we got about another 1.5 years that we're going to be rocking, that we're going to be rolling. And then we're going to be doing a full analysis, seeing where we are. Hopefully, everybody stand 10 toes down. We'll be able to celebrate towards the end. Shake each other's hand, give each other salutes, and get ready for the next play, get ready for the next 4-year cycle. Now we'll know how to dominate this next upcoming bear market, and we'll be able to expand our wealth. We'll be able to expand our growth because our knowledge have been expanded. But, you know, like I said, I just come to y'all each and every day just to continue to give y'all that good motivation, come to y'all to continue to give y'all that good encouragement. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and like I always say, now get out there and do it to your service, and don't get nervous. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.